Here I have the Lenovo Vibe P1 and let me show you how to use top tricks on the following device. So let's start with the first one. Let me show you a micro screen. Let's open the apps, choose settings. Now let's scroll down and choose here the feature. So here we've got a few interesting features. For example, you can quick snap, knock to light, smart scene, white touch, flip to sleep. But in my case, let me show you the micro screen. So let's tap on micro screen. Let's enable this feature and you need to draw the C letter from the top edge of the screen to the bottom. Let me show you how to do it. And that's it. This is the micro screen, one-handed mode, so it's easier sometimes to use this mode. If you would like to quit this, let's use this button and now you can use your device in a normal way. Now let me show you the glove mode. So this is the second trick, the high sensitive touch. So let's open the settings, scroll here to display and scroll down to find the high sensitive touch right here. This is the gloves mode, so this mode enables you to use the touch screen while wearing your gloves. It could be really useful. Alright, let's go next and let me show you really simple thing but really useful, the scheduled power on and off. Let's scroll down and under basic settings you've got this feature. So you can for example set up to switch on your device every day at 7 AM and you can for example switch off your device every day at, let me say, 8 PM for example. So let's just choose your time and that's it, tap done. Alright, let's enable this feature and that's it. Alright, now let me show you how to do the next trick. So let me show you the magnification feature. Let's scroll down to the accessibility. Here let's tap Magnification Gesture, let's enable this gesture and now you can simply magnify things by triple tapping the screen. Alright, so as you can see I just magnify my screen. Here you can scroll down or change the position by using two fingers. If you would like to disable magnification, let's triple tap again. Alright, let's go for the last trick. So let me show you the tools of this device. So here you've got two amazing tools. Recorder right here, you can use the recorder to record some voice, or you can here also use the second really amazing tool but also really useful, the compass. So as you can see the Lenovo Vibe P1 has built-in compass, so you can use this compass right here. Here you can also click to get your GPS location. So that's it, everything went well, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.